And now from Color 10, breaking news.
We're coming back on the air because we have learned a lot more information now for you about the incident happening at Table Rock Lake involving a capsized boat there. The Southern Stone County Fire Protection District is now calling this a mass casualty event that they're working down there at Table Rock Lake. Right now, they're working the scene near the Showboat Branson Bell landing site.
That's right, and we do have our reporter, Color 10's Crystal Blair, on the scene for us. Crystal, what do you know?
I'm standing here right now in Stone County at the Showboat Branson Bell, and it is a horrific scene, very tragic. We just talked with Sheriff Doug Rader, and he confirmed that there are fatalities and a duck boat has capsized. He says that he's not confirming that this was the result of the storm that just went through, but he believes that that is the reason. 31 people on this boat, some of them children. He says that right now he's not saying how many people died, but he did confirm that there are deaths. 3 or 4 people were transported to a hospital, injured, and right now that boat is still on the lake.
Okay, we've lost Crystal's signal, but she was saying for you right there, she spoke to Sheriff Doug Rader of Stone County. Southern Stone County is on the scene. 31 people were on the boat. In fact, we're now confirming it has been a Ride the Ducks boat that did indeed capsize there on Table Rock Lake tonight. That's
right. She's also reporting that 3 to 4 people have been injured and transported to area hospitals. We know that 31 people were on the boat at the time it capsized as well. And Southern Stone County Fire Protection District has been tweeting and Facebooking some video. If we can take that now, we want to show you a look at the scene of what's going on. You see several boats still on the water on Table Rock Lake. Again, this is near the Branson Bell dock after we just learned a Ride the Ducks boat has capsized on that lake with 31 people on board.
Again, we're going to reiterate this here, folks. We have these confirmed facts now. This involves a Ride the Ducks boat. The Showboat Branson Bell is not involved. That's simply where they're staging right now. But again, we know that several people were transported to local hospitals with injuries that they received there with this incident tonight. Jamie showed us earlier that storm that moved through about the time this would have happened. Sheriff Rader is not saying at this point this is because of the storm. Let's make that clarification as well. But again, he did show us that there were some very strong winds that came through about the time that that boat would have been on the water down there. We know 31 people on board. The sheriff is not confirming yet how many people have died, but Southern Stone County is now calling this a mass casualty incident that they're responding to there at Table Rock Lake tonight.
And again, we are still learning more information as it becomes available, so make sure you follow us for the breaking news on the Color 10 News app, and we will be cutting into programming as we feel necessary to update you on this breaking news story.
And stay with Color 10, more updates as we learn more information.